Namaskar. I am Akhil Srivastav and I welcome you all in the daily weather briefing of Indian Meteorology Department. Here we will see how was the weather during past 24 hours and what we are expecting in terms of weather during next 5 days. If we see the weather which affected India on 5th of January, then we can see there's the western disturbance over Afghanistan and neighborhood, and it's situated as a cyclone circulation in lower tropospheric levels with a trough aloft around 65-degree east longitude to the north of 25-degree north latitude. There's also an induced cyclone circulation which is seen over southwest parts of Rajasthan and adjoining Pakistan. Under the influence of these two systems, we are seeing a good amount of weather activity in the western Himalayan region and northwest parts of the country. If we see the observed weather during past 24 hours, that is from 8:30 hours IST of yesterday to 8:30 hours IST of today, we can see that the rainfall and thunder showers were observed at most places over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, at many places over Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Uttarakhand, West Rajasthan, at a few places over Punjab, and at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi, East Rajasthan, and Saurashtra and Kutch. If we talk in terms of the significant amount of rainfall, that is more than uh, 1 centimeter of rainfall, then we can see that in Jammu and Kashmir, Batote and Banihal recorded 4 centimeter of rainfall. In Himachal Pradesh, Manali recorded 4 centimeter of rainfall. In East Madhya Pradesh, Annapur reported 4 centimeter of rainfall. Other than that, Gulmarg and Katra reported 3 centimeter rainfall. In Himachal Pradesh, Bhuntar reported 3 centimeter of rainfall. If we talk about the fog, then dense to very dense fog in many pockets was seen over East Uttar Pradesh and isolated pockets over South Himalayan, West Bengal, and Bihar. Dense fog was seen in isolated pockets over West Uttar Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Tripura. And moderate fog in isolated pockets was seen over West Rajasthan, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, Uttarakhand, Assam and Meghalaya, and Manipur today at 8:30 hours IST. Visibility was recorded minimum in Lucknow, Purnia, and Malda to the tune of 25 meters each. In Bareilly, Bhagalpur, and Agartala, visibility was 50 meters each. In Pantnagar, Karnal, New Delhi, that is Safdarjung, Jaisalmer, Patna, Gaya, Dhubri, and Imphal all recorded 200 meters of visibility. Now, coming to the forecast, then we are expecting wet spell over northwest and central India till 9th of January, as we were be told in the yesterday's briefing. As also, we are expecting two western disturbances back to back. So, the current western disturbance, it is seen as a cyclonic circulation over Afghanistan and neighborhood at low tropospheric levels with the trough aloft at 65-degree east longitude to the north of 25-degree north latitude. There is also an induced cyclonic circulation over southwest Rajasthan and adjoining Pakistan in lower tropospheric levels. Also, the moisture feeding from Arabian Sea over northwest India is continuing. Under the influence of these systems, we are expecting a fairly widespread light moderate rainfall snowfall activity to continue over Western Himalayan region on 5th, and there will be slightly reduction, and there is chance of scattered rainfall snowfall activity on 6th of January. We are also expecting isolated heavy rainfall snowfall very likely over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand on 5th of January. Also, coming to the plains, scattered to fairly widespread light moderate rainfall is also very likely over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi, North Rajasthan, West Uttar Pradesh, and isolated to scattered is likely over South Rajasthan, Gujarat state, West Madhya Pradesh, and East Uttar Pradesh on 5th and 6th January. Apart from that, also we are expecting some isolated heavy rainfall activity over Punjab on 5th of January. Like we told, we are expecting two back-to-back western disturbances. Therefore, after this disturbance moves eastwards, an intense western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from the night of 6th of January 2022. Under influence, an induced cyclone circulation is also likely to form over southwest Rajasthan and neighborhood on 7th January. Also, we are expecting high moisture feeding from Arabian Sea over northwest and central India during 7th to 9 January 2022. Under the influence of these systems, we are expecting fairly widespread rainfall, snowfall, very likely over Western Himalayan region during 7th to 9th of January, and there will be a decrease thereafter. Isolated heavy rainfall, snowfall is also very likely over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad on 7th and 8th, and over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on 8th of January. Scattered to fairly widespread light moderate rainfall is likely over plains of northwest and adjoining central India during 7th to 9th of January. We are also expecting some isolated heavy rainfall activity over Punjab and Haryana and Chandigarh on 8th of January. Apart from that, thunderstorm activities are also likely with hailstorms over Madhya Pradesh on 8th and 9th and over Vidarbha on 9th of January 2022. Dense to very dense fog in isolated pockets in night morning hours is very likely over East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, South Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and dense fog is also likely in isolated pockets over Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, West Assam and Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura during next 2 days. If we try to see the warnings with the help of the multi-hazard map, then you can see the today's map, that is the 5th of January, then major amount of heavy rainfall activity is likely over Western Himalayan region and the northwest part of the country. Then tomorrow, that is on 6th, there will be a slight reduction. However, due to the impact of influence of the another western disturbance, again, we are expecting the rainfall activity to increase in the Western Himalayan region and Northwest India. So we are expecting some heavy rainfall activity on 7th and 8th. Also, we are expecting thunderstorm with hailstorm over Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha on 8th and 9th. So adequate precautions, all government guidelines should be followed to keep yourself safe from these disastrous events. This is for today. I hope all this information will be very useful for you. Tomorrow we will again meet with similar kind of information. Till then, have a wonderful time. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.